Australia, including Sydney, have been hammered with non-stop downpours and cyclonic winds for days now. The wicked weather has claimed at least 4 lives along that country's east coast. As Jackson Prosco reports, although the storm has weakened, it is not over yet.
A wild ride and a long night at sea for 3,500 passengers and crew on board a Carnival cruise, forced to ride out the storm after Sydney's harbour was closed by high waves.
Upstairs on the main deck, a lot of the glass had actually been pushed out and smashed all over the place. Chairs just turned like lollipops. It's just crazy.
This view from the water shows why they had to wait it out. It was just too dangerous to try and dock.
Would have literally surfed into the harbour, and that's good for some people. That's not very good for me.
The rough seas were part of a massive storm system that barreled up the east coast of Australia. For the last 2 days, heavy rains and high winds have pounded the area near Sydney, delivering 300 millimetres of rain and wind gusts over 130 kilometres per hour. 4 people are dead, including an 86-year-old woman washed away in her car. Hundreds have had to be rescued from rising floodwaters.
It was so quick and it kept coming in and rising so quickly that I had to sit on a stool and wait for someone to come and help me.
Time-lapse video shows how quickly the water rose, washing out train tracks. The storm whipped up bizarre mounds of foam on this Sydney beach, only to leave behind severe erosion.
In terms of the weather pattern, it's still very dangerous. We're seeing continuation of the wind, rain, flash flooding.
By this morning, the weather cleared enough for that cruise ship to safely return to port. Passengers just happy to be back on dry land.
The waves were just incredible, and because you can't see because it's so dark, it made it a little bit more scarier, but I'm just glad to be here.
After being battered at sea, the ship will need repairs before it can sail again. With the worst of the storm now over, the cleanup is just beginning. Jackson Prosco, Global News, Washington.